Alright, let's talk straight. If you don't tell your money where to go, you'll wonder where it went. It's that simple. Budgeting isn't some scary, complex financial wizardry reserved for accountants in stuffy suits. It's for you, the single mom trying to make ends meet, the college student drowning in instant noodle packets, the couple dreaming of a down payment on a home. Having a plan for your money is the difference between being the master of your finances and being a slave to them. So what is this thing we call a budget? Let's break it down into something even a 7-year-old could understand. A monthly budget is simply a plan for your money for the upcoming month. That's it. Alright, roll up your sleeves, it's time to build your first budget. I promise this is easier than you think. Step 1. List your total monthly income. This is every dollar you expect to bring in for the month. Write down your paycheck, your spouse's paycheck, any side hustle money. Step 2. List your expenses. Now, this is where you need to be thorough. I call these the 4 walls: food, utilities, shelter, transportation. Step 3. Subtract your expenses from your income. The goal here is to make your income minus your outgo equal 0. This is called a zero-based budget. Every single dollar gets a name and a job before the month begins. Step 4. Give every dollar a job. If you had money left over in Step 3, you need to assign it somewhere. You can put it toward your current financial goal, like paying off a credit card, building up your emergency fund, or saving for a down payment. You keep tweaking and adjusting the numbers in your expense categories until your income minus your outgo equals exactly 0. That's it. You've just created your first budget. It's a plan, on paper, on purpose. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of your budget categories. The first and most important category is your income. This is the top line of your budget, the total amount of money you have to work with for the month. Next up, we have your needs. These are the absolute essentials, the things you must pay to survive. I call these the 4 walls: food, utilities, shelter, transportation. These 4 walls get funded first before anything else, no exceptions. After your needs are covered, you can look at your wants: restaurant meals, entertainment, movies or concerts, streaming subscriptions, new clothes that aren't essential, hobbies, vacations. You don't need fancy software to make this work. A simple piece of paper and a pencil will do the trick. But using a template can make things a whole lot easier and keep you organized. Think of a budget template as your empty clay pot ready to be filled. It provides the structure so you can focus on planning where your money will go. Let's look at a simple template. Top line, total monthly income. Below, sections for expense categories. Housing, transportation, food. Creating the budget is half the battle. The other half is actually sticking to it. This requires tracking your expenses throughout the month. If you don't track, your budget is just a nice piece of fiction. It's wishful thinking. There are several simple ways. Use the envelope system. Put cash into labeled envelopes, groceries, restaurants. When the cash is gone, it's gone. Married? Sit down together 15 to 20 minutes weekly. This is not a time for blame or finger pointing. It's a how are we doing? Meeting. Look at what you've spent, what bills are coming up, and how you're tracking toward your goals. This communication is the secret sauce for couples winning with money. Budgets aren't set in stone. A budget is a living, breathing document that you manage throughout the month. Let's bring this all home. Starting a budget might feel a little awkward at first. It's like learning to ride a bike. You're going to wobble. You might even fall a couple of times. That's okay. The first month you budget, it won't be perfect. The second month will be a little better. By the third month, you'll start to get the hang of it. You'll start to feel something you haven't felt in a long time. Control. You'll feel the stress start to melt away because you have a plan. You are no longer a victim of your circumstances. You are the hero of your own story. The long-term benefits of budgeting are life-changing. I'm not just talking about having a little extra cash. Debt-free. Build a full emergency fund. Save up for a down payment on a house. Pay for your kids' college. Invest for a retirement where you can be outrageously generous. It takes you from a life of I can't to a life of I can. It changes everything. Think about your future self. 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. The small, consistent act of making a budget each month is a gift you give to that future person. It's a declaration that you care about their well-being. It's a promise that you will do the hard work now so they can have a better life later. Don't you want to do that for them? So what are you waiting for? I'm encouraging you. I'm challenging you to start today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Grab a piece of paper, open a spreadsheet, download our Every Dollar app, make your first budget, tell your money where to go. It is the single most important step you can take to change your financial future and build a legacy that will last for generations. You can do this. I know you can. Now go get started, your future self is counting on you.